Let's dive into the difference of these two powerful language models, GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representation from Transformer. Let's explore how these models are trained and what sets them apart. GPT and BERT are state-of-the-art language models based on Transformer architecture designed by OpenAI and Google. They revolutionized natural language processing by leveraging vast amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like text. BERT was introduced by Google researchers in a 2018 paper titled BERT, Pre-training of Deep Bidirectional Transformer for Language Understanding, and has been trained using book, corpus, and English Wikipedia, for a total amount of more than 3 billion words. On the other side, GPT, specifically GPT-3, introduced by OpenAI researcher in a 2020 paper titled Language Models Are Few-Shot Learners, is a groundbreaking advancement in natural language processing. It has been trained on an unprecedented dataset containing 570 gigabytes of text data. We're talking about trillions of words. This extensive training allowed GPT-3 to generate human-like text and understand context with remarkable accuracy. And fast forward to today to ChatGPT 4.5, Claude 3.5, and so on, you can see how much effort has been put into the training and how good is the result. Let's talk about the architecture of BERT. BERT, by definition, is bidirectional, meaning it can understand from both left and right direction in a sequence. The training objective is to predict missing words within sentence and understand the relationship between words in a bidirectional manner. That allowing to be a perfect use case for sentiment analysis, question answering, name entity recognition, and text classification. Moving into GPT, the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, we can see that the architecture is unidirectional by nature, and it's optimized for generate text sequentially. The training objective is actually to predict the next word in the sequence, and it allows us to fine-tune the model to be amazing in generating human-like text, summarization, translation, and conversational AI. One of the best use cases about this model is the few-shot learning, because it's capable of performing tasks with little to no task-specific training. And this can be experienced nowadays with any available GPT model in the market. I will recommend you to read the official paper to know more about it and to experiment with all the various GPT available today. In conclusion, GPT and BERT represent cutting-edge advancement in natural language processing. If you're curious to know how does it work behind the scene, I will suggest to check into self-attention, multi-attention, and positional encoding.